there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to share call notes and transcripts with your team members. Call notes in Calilio are automatically visible to all members within your workspace who have access to that specific number or conversation. Now here's how you can view and use them. First, click on a number to open its call box. Now on the right hand side, under the General Info section, scroll down to find the Notes feature. You can type out your notes inside this rectangular box, which will be saved automatically. Now these notes are instantly saved and visible to Calilio members. But remember, they are not visible to external contacts or customers. This makes it perfect for internal communication and follow-ups within your team. Now let's move on to call transcripts, another easy way to share your call details with your team. Here's how to access and share them. Click on the three dots beside one of your numbers and hit number settings. Now scroll down to toggle on auto transcription if it's not already enabled. After that, go back to your call box by clicking on one of your numbers and click on the conversation you want a transcript for. Now here, click on this Download Transcribe Recording button, which downloads that transcript and saves it as a PDF file on your computer. Now you can share this with your members by clicking on the member that you want to share it with. After that, you will click on this icon, which will allow you to select a PDF file, such as your transcript from your computer, which you can send to the respective member. And that's it. By combining notes and transcripts, you ensure that every team member stays on the same page without replaying calls or missing important context. It's especially useful for sales support and customer success teams managing multiple clients at once. If you need further help, contact our support chat via the live chat box, which is available 24/7. Thanks for watching.